Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we of manually shifting through COOISPIT code confirmation, missing critical exception, and dealing with inefficient production order management in SAP. So imagine a world where VBA automates your workflow such that and it flags every discrepancies and even triggers follow-up actions for you. So, so this is a startup video for that ambition, which you might have. This may be the first step towards that direction. So this video will show you exactly how to build that automation, that reality, transforming your SAP operations. Right? We are showing you our tool, which with the click of button, it takes you to the SAP and does its job. If you want to execute some T code, they are done automatically, and you get the result quickly. And there are the options that you can download them to the Excel and do the further analytical work for you. Okay, so our today's topic is this T code, that is process order information system of SAP, in which all the sort of process orders are they reported, and you can take the report on different modes. If you want order header base, then the order. So you can use this option and mention the plant and execute it. Right. So this is and there are so many other options available for you, and so many other parameters and selection parameters which you can use for a certain sold to party, for certain related to a particular production supervisor or a particular plan, or if you are focusing a certain process order, then you can limit your selection in it. Okay, and then it executes and gets you the desired result. So the process order information system is executed with COOISPI. This is the T code which you've got to enter. It is actually the SAP transaction for reporting on process orders, offering comprehensive data on order headers. It means the one-line information, the top-level information of the process orders, or the components, the detail, the line items, and capacities, and confirmation, and good movement, etc. So it is used to monitor the production. If you want to monitor the production, so this is an excellent report which you can base your monitoring on these reports, right? And the check orders and the status, and you can monitor and analyze the material usage and implement the control over it, reduce the wastages and track the confirmations, etc. So this is a very efficient report and very effective if the supervisors use this wonderful report. So that will increase the productivity. So the module is PP, and when we enter PP in here, so all the objects within the PP are listed. So we select this new report which we have added. It's a production report, and it has multiple variants which on in different dimensions you can use generate this report, right? So we will show you one by one each of them. So the T code is to start with this report, you have to enter the T code, COOISPI. Okay. So for this, it is essential that you should be logged on to SAP. You are already logged on. Then you can just click execute. So it is going to take you to the SAP, execute the T code, take the variant, and it is basing on the plant 1710. This is the report, and it is downloading it to the Excel, and once it is downloaded, it will take it to the download sheet within our system, right? So this all done automatically You don't have to worry about it. When you get this message, process completed means now you can do whatever you want. So click OK and then start working on it, what you want to do. If you want to filter certain information or you want to analyze it, you can make a graph on the basis of it, and you can send this report to other people, like a workflow, where whatever is in your environment is. So you can send it to through the email. You can share it with the colleagues, right? So this is the one aspect of this report. What it has done is it has taken only the header information, yeah, only one row information of a order, production order, and uh, you can see that there are materials being lifted. FG for finished good, right? So we can easily guess that these are the finished good production order, and this is semi-finished good. This is semi-finished good being created, right? This is the order pertaining to semi-finished good, and this is also semi-finished good, right? And here is the finished good, right? So these are the finished. And each order has further more details that who is the supervisor. The supervisor code is given, MRP control, and the order type. There can be different order types. So these are, and the quantity of this the top quantity of this, which is going to be produced, and unit of measure is written in it, right? Something is in kilogram, then kilogram, something are in different unit of measure, right? And basic start date and basic finish date. Yeah, these are the information of the process order, production order, and the status, if it is released or not, right? So the status is also being shown, and production version, if there are multiple versions, so you can use that version information as well. And this is a brief material description, that what are the materials being contained some within that you have. What is this is the finished code, right? So this is uh, with a single click you can execute it, and it will start working for you. Okay. So it takes you to the it executes it, and you can see that yeah, it's working like that. Okay. Now it is downloading it, and it has downloaded, and it is bringing it back into the download sheet with a message, process completed, right? So let's go to the SAP and see how it is done if we do it manually. If we do it manually, we enter this code, we click enter, right? And then, yeah. So this was the on order-based report which we have used. You can have so many other bases on which you can make this report. For example, you want a production list, you want a components based, right? So you click OK, and you take the production plant that is 17 1710. Okay, plateau. Okay, and we say okay, execute. So this time it is going to show you the components of the product. You see multiple lines are being shown. This is the project, the order, and you have multiple materials within this, and this is the BOM item 1, 10, 20, 30, like 10, 20, 30. These are the serial numbers. And this is the activity, right? So we can use different versions for different purposes. You can, it's a multi-purpose report, right? And you can use others also. Say, for example, you want good movement, document movement based report. The same report, if you want document goods movement, then here you will have the goods movement type. goods movement. Yeah, and this is the movement type, right? And this is the storage location, and and here is the amount, and this is the analysis of order-wise, means you can see all the components of the and all the movement types and material document which is being used, etc. And further, you can drill down on it. If you double click on a material document, so it will take you directly to that material document to show you what are the details of this material document. Yeah, this is the material document, and these are the details. These are the two short texts of the materials, and this is the quantity, etc., etc. And this, okay. So this is how it is being used, and we have devised this tool for the users. They can download this Excel file and save it and make the necessary changes to adapt it in your environment. So it is going to save you a lot of time with a click of button. The report will not only that it will be executed, but it will be downloaded for the further process. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.